Large gatherings in the form of protests continue to take place. One local doctor says this time will provide a whole lot of information on if we're ready to loosen more restrictions amid the coronavirus pandemic. News Channel 3's Caitlin Thrope has more.
In the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, large public protests defy public health restrictions as people gathering in close proximity pour into the streets. Here in the Valley, Dr. Eutham Contaxis at Eisenhower says a lot of important information about the virus will follow in the wake of these protests.
As a physician, I hope that people are practicing social distancing, but I'm also curious to see if we do see a spike, then we'll know, oh my goodness, yeah. Gatherings are still at risk. We have to be extra careful. So I think this is going to let us know a lot of information pretty quickly.
And perhaps new data could lead to a faster reopening.
If we don't see a huge spike, maybe that will help us loosen things up a little bit.
But there's still a concern over the virus becoming a super spreader due to these large gatherings.
I think emotions sometimes get the best of people and they still need to be considerate of their own health.
Dr. Contaxis says if you have any symptoms at all or have tested positive, you should not be going out into the public.
And I think in general that this is not a benign illness. There are significant people that are getting significantly ill from it. So I don't want people to be cavalier. I think they should be careful.
Riverside County Public Health released a statement urging anyone attending protests to social distance and wear a mask. According to Lancet research, if you are exposed to this virus unmasked, the chance of infection is 17.4%. However, if you do wear a mask, your chance drops to 3.1.
We're seeing a slight increase this week. In the hospital, we've seen a few more cases. Our ICU numbers are about the same. So I think there's some underlying infection in the valley.
Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.